So in this video, we shall demonstrate the capacity to generate the quote for a profile CAD component when no CAD files are available. So we'll begin by going to the part section and clicking on a new part, give it whatever name you require. Click create. And from there, you will notice that we have an option in the toolbar called add cutting. And that's the one we're going to use. Click on that. And this is a wizard that will drive you through the process of constructing the costing for these components. Select the process that you wish to implement. In this case, we enter a quantity, a material, who's supplying the material, your company or the customer. There's a few other options here which you can get information about it if you hover your mouse over the question mark, click next. And this is where we describe the component. So let's say that we have a 500 by 200 bracket with a center hole of 50 millimeters, and then we have some holes on the outside. So let's say we got 12 holes at 10 mil and 3 slots at 22 by 22. Any combination of these is acceptable. You can even use the pre-cut etching if this is something that the film needs to be cut prior to cutting. And then you proceed to the next step by clicking next. Here we select the materials that we have for this particular type of material in terms of plate size. So if I select 1500 by 3000, it'll perform a rectangular nesting, and you get quite a bit of information here about the yields. I can rotate, so I can see that this particular layout with 200 by 500 is better at 3.5 sheets. I'm going to get extra 3 parts, and my material markup is currently set to 20%. So if you're happy with this, you can move on to the next step. At this stage, we know how much material we need. We know how long it's going to take to cut it. And our rate needs to be calculated to give us the net profit for our system, which we do by clicking on adjust rate. And we can see that the rate is being accomplished at $2.67 per minute. And all we need to do, click next, and the component calculation for the laser cutting manually has been done. So you can see here, if I open it up, we have the breakdown of the costing as you would normally do and get from a CAD file, but in this case without it. Thanks for watching.